Trump administration's effort to deport a Columbia University student protester moved to a New York City courtroom yesterday. Mahmoud Khalil was detained on Saturday night by immigration authorities and taken to Louisiana. The documents obtained by CBS News show that the case against Khalil is based on a rarely used law.
Khalil's legal team argues his detention is unconstitutional. On Monday, a federal judge issued a temporary order blocking Khalil's deportation, and in a courtroom in New York City yesterday, he ruled that Khalil, a U.S. green card holder, be granted at least 2 private calls with his attorneys.
For the first time, lawyers for Mahmoud Khalil faced off against government prosecutors in New York City Wednesday in a case that has raised serious free speech concerns.
Release Mahmoud! Right now! Release Mahmoud!
Outside the court, hundreds of protesters gathered to officials disagree, calling Khalil a Hamas sympathizer, even accusing him of handing out the terrorist group's propaganda.
We're going to kick you out. It's as simple as that. This is not about free speech. This is about people that don't have a right to be in the United States to begin with.
Documents obtained by CBS News show the government is basing its case against Khalil on a seldom-used section of the Immigration and Nationality Act, which permits the Secretary of State to deport someone if they believe that the person could harm U.S. foreign policy interests.
There are no national security or foreign policy implications here. People are entitled to their viewpoints and they're entitled to express them, and they shouldn't be punished by the government for doing that. They shouldn't be incarcerated or disappeared or moved 1,000 miles away from their home.
The judge has not yet ruled on his lawyer's request to have Khalil moved back from Louisiana to New York. Khalil's attorneys questioned the administration's claims that he ever distributed any Hamas propaganda, urging them to show any evidence if they have it.